Yo, Dutch, we're live.
Oh shit. What is going on, guys? It's DMZ TV. My name is Dutch, and welcome to Flow Giveaway Friday. Now, I know you guys been waiting a while for this, and we're finally giving away these two amazing.
No, wait, Dutch. Only the old one.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, so we're gonna be giving away this amazing Wookah for the grand winner. Now, to qualify for this giveaway, very simple. Follow us on DMZ TV YouTube. Follow us on Instagram with Dutch Masters TV, and also follow Flow Tobacco. Now, to be part of this giveaway, very simple. Just make a video, 15-second video. So put on your creative hats and make a 15-second Instagram story. It has to include DMZ TV in it and also Flow Tobacco. So as long as you include these two things in the video, you'll be part of this giveaway. Don't forget to tag us in the video. So it's hashtag Dutch Masters TV. That way we can see your video, share it, and we can go ahead and pick the winner. Now, we're gonna go ahead and pick out 3 videos out of these. You have until the 24th, right? Yeah. You have until the 24th of September to go ahead and send in your videos and tag us, and that way we'll look at the videos, we'll decide to pick out those 3 videos, and from those 3 videos on the 25th of September, that's Friday, right?
Next Friday. Yeah,
next Friday. So on the 25th, we're gonna go ahead and pick out these 3 videos, and from there we're gonna pick out the main winner for this amazing hookah. So I want to wish everyone good luck. Now, the only thing you have to do when you finish watching this video is go below in the comments, put your Instagram name, and also put hashtag Flow Giveaway Friday. So there you have it, folks. Take a last look at this amazing hookah. Can't wait to see who the winner is. Until next time, it's DMZ TV, and we are